Hi children, today we are going to see about quadrilateral. Quadrilateral is nothing but a polygon which is surrounded by four sides. A polygon which is surrounded by four sides is called the quadrilateral. Okay, here I have the diagram, quadrilateral A, B, C, D. In this quadrilateral I have the diagonal BD. BD is the diagonal. And here this CE is H1. I have the height. And AF is H2. Okay, a quadrilateral has two heights there. From these heights and the diagonal, we can find the area of the quadrilateral. Okay, so area of the quadrilateral equal to half into D into H1 plus H2 square units. So the H1 and H2 and D are in the problem itself. Okay, let me see how to draw the quadrilateral. Okay, type 1. Here is given. Construct a quadrilateral DEAR with DE 6 cm, EA 5 cm, AR 5.5 cm and RD 5.2 cm, DA 10 cm. Also find its area. Here first I want to draw a rough diagram. That rough diagram for the quadrilateral. Here it's given DEAR. So we have to name this quadrilateral as DEAR. It must be in a order. Okay. So we want to write all the measurements. What are the things given here? DE 6 cm, EA 5 cm and AR is 5.5 cm and then RD 5.2 cm and one more thing, DA is 10 cm. So DA is here. So I want to draw DA also. So here this is DA, this is 10 cm. Okay, just we want to draw the rough diagram and then I want to draw the main diagram now. So what is the base here? 6 cm. So I want to draw 6 cm here like this. So here this 6 cm is nothing but DE. This is 6 cm. Okay. After this we have AE as 5 cm and here DA is 10 cm. For a quadrilateral first we want to draw a triangle. Okay. So I want to draw a triangle first there. So how to draw the triangle here? I can take this AE as 5 cm. So by using the compass I have to draw 5 cm here. Take 5 cm in a scale. So I can draw 5 cm. We have to keep the compass here only. Okay. So from here, from E to A, draw 5 cm. Okay. So I drew the 5 cm in radius. And then again I want to take 10 cm for DA. So take 10 cm, the scale. I can draw 10 cm from here. From D to A, we can draw 10 cm. So here we have to draw that. Like this I want to draw the next radius. Okay. And then I want to join these two. here and here I want to draw, join here, this one and here. Okay, so this is D, E and this is A. Now again I want to take 5.5 centimeter with radius and draw a arc here. So now again in the compass I have to take 5.5 centimeter. So now I want to draw 5.5 centimeter here. And then from here to here 5.2 centimeter. So I want to take 5.2. So from D I want to take 5.2. Okay. So from here to here I have to take that. So now this is 5.2 centimeter. Now I want to join here. Now I got D, E, A, R as a quadrilateral. So here this is 5 centimeter, here this is 10 centimeter and here this is 5.5 centimeter, here this is 5.2 centimeter. Okay, and then we drew the diagram and then also find its area. We want to find the area for this. So for this area we have some formulas, okay? So I can write area equal to half into D into H1 plus H2 square units equal to half into D is nothing but 10 centimeter. So put 10 here. Here H1 and H2 we want to find from the diagram. So what do you mean by H1? H1 is a perpendicular line drawn from the vertices to the diagonal. Okay, we have from any two vertices we can draw that. We have the diagonal already from this vertices. So the remaining two vertices E and R are there. From E we have to draw one perpendicular line and from R we have to draw another perpendicular line. That is called heights. Okay. So I can draw this by using this set square. We have to draw that. So I can keep the scale here like this. Keep the scale like this, and then we have to keep the set square. We have to keep the set square and the scale like this. Both must be coincide like this. Okay. So keep this like this, and then slowly we have to move this set square towards the vertex. So at vertex E, it meet at some point there. So this is the perpendicular line here. So this is the required perpendicular line. So we can draw the perpendicular line here now. So this is H1. We can measure this by the scale there. So this is 2.3. So the height is 2.3 centimeter. Now I found only one height here. So I want to find another height also. Okay. Keep the scale here, and I have to keep the set square like this, and you have to move little bit like this towards the vertex. So now I can get the vertex of that perpendicular line. So I can have this as, this is the H2, which is nothing but we have to measure this. This is 1.9 centimeter. Okay. So 1.9. Now I got the H1 is 2.3 centimeter. H2 is 1.9 centimeter. I can substitute this value here now. So I can have this 2.3 plus 1.9 is equal to 1 by 2 into 10 into, if you add these two, 4.2. So cancel these two 5 times, which is equal to this much of square centimeter. We can leave this 0. So 21 square centimeter. So our answer is 21 square centimeter.